Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss about the regular payments of general annuity. Similar with simple annuity, we're still going to use the same formula for the regular payments of general annuity. And the only difference is that we just make use of a different interest rate per period. We're still going to use I is equal to 1 plus R over K raised to C over P minus 1. This is the interest rate per period that we used for the general ordinary annuity and the general annuity due in our previous video. So in the regular payment of general annuity, we're still going to use this same interest rate per period. Remember that C represents the number of compounding periods and P represents the number of payments per year. So, for the formula of the regular payments of general ordinary annuity and general annuity due, we just make use of the same formula that we use in the regular payments of simple annuity. So for the general ordinary annuity, if the future value is given, we still make use of P is equal to future value times the interest rate per period all over the quantity 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. And if the present value is given, we can make use of P is equal to present value times I all over 1 minus 1 plus I, quantity 1 plus I raised to negative n. We still make use of the same formula for the regular payments. The only difference is, again, the interest rate per period. Now, if it's annuity due, we just have to add, or rather multiply the denominator with 1 plus I so that it accounts for the beginning of the period. So for annuity due, it will be P is equal to future value times I all over quantity 1 plus I raised to n minus 1, then multiply that with 1 plus I. So that's for the general annuity due with the future values given. If the present value, however, is given, it will be P is equal to present value times the interest rate per period all over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n times 1 plus I. So this is the formula for the regular payments of general annuity. Let's have an example. How much should you invest at the end of every quarter on an account that compounds 3.5% semi-annually if you want to earn 1 million pesos after 30 years? So first, let's have the value of n. This is equal to t times k. Our time is 30 years. Then we are going to make our investments at the end of every quarter. So that will be 30 times 4, which is equal to 120. For our interest rate per period, we're going to make use of our formula for only used for general annuity, that is 1 plus R over K raised to C over P minus 1. Remember that this is 1 plus, our rate is 3.5%, so that would be 0.035. That's our rate. All over we are being compounded semi-annually, so that's divided by 2. So let's have C over P. So we have the semi-annual compoundment, so that would be 2. And the payment, there are 4 payments in 1 year, so that's for quarterly, so it's 2 over 4, then minus 1. So let's compute for this value. We're supposed to get I is equal to 0.00871205. So this is the interest rate per period that we're going to use. I is equal to 0.00871205 and N is 120. Remember that we are going to invest in order to earn 1 million at the end of 30 years. So we are going to use the formula for general ordinary annuity with the future value is given. So P is equal to future value times I all over 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. That's what we're going to use. Then our periodic payment would be 1 million times, this is 0.00871,205 all over 1 plus 0.00871205 raised to 120 minus 1. Computing for all of that, starting from the numerator, our numerator will be 8712.05, while that's 1 million times this. For our denominator, we're going to compute for this one, so we add it first, then raise to 120, then subtract by 1. We'll have 1.831816,247. So dividing this 2, we're supposed to get 4,755.96. This means that at the end of every quarter, we have to deposit 4,755 pesos and 96 centavos in order for us to earn 1 million after 30 years. So that's for the regular payments of general annuity. For our next video, we're going to discuss about stocks and stock market index. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot today and see you guys on the next video.